Hello students, myself Rajbir and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. Students, today we will read a chapter, we will revise a chapter basically, that is for English Literature, class 4th. The revision part will be covering chapter number 1, Be Prepared. Let's see chapter number 1, Points to Remember. This is a story on Ruskin Bond. Basically, this is a story written by Ruskin Bond himself, and in this story he has shown an incident of one of his childhood experience he has shared. Like he went to a scouting camp, there what happened, what they did, like this he has explained in the story. The main character is the narrator Ruskin Bond himself. I have just told you the main character, the narrator is Ruskin Bond himself. He is explaining his experience, he was just sharing his experience like what happened in the scout camp. Okay. Now he describes a scout camp he attended as a schoolboy. When he was in school he attended a scout camp, so he is describing about that camp. Okay. The other important character is Mr. Oliver, the scoutmaster. Now another important character in his story is Mr. Oliver. He is the scoutmaster, like what he did, how he used to treat the children, everything is there. Now the other scouts are supporting characters acting like typical schoolboys. Now he was also having his friends, they are acting like a typical school boys. Boys कैसे होते हैं school के, like that particularly they are behaving in the story. They went to the scouting few miles away from Shimla, right? The scoutmaster Mr. Oliver took them along with him for the scouting. He just want to make them learn how they should behave in proper way and how should they do the tracking part, like this they want to tell. Now the next thing is Bond does not know how to cook but manage to provide delicious dishes. Now Bond means Ruskin Bond himself is telling that he don't know how to cook, but there was a tuck shop in his school where he used to tell him that how to make jalebis to make them more delicious, what to add in samosas to make them more very delicious samosas, jalebis, pakodas. He used to just instruct the tuck shop owner like this, you can improve your food, like this it will be more delicious, more tasty, right? So anyways he managed to provide delicious dishes, therefore he got the badge of cookery badge, best cookery badge. Mr. Oliver planned to teach the boys trekking. Now on the scout camp Mr. Oliver, the scoutmaster, thought that okay, चलो आज हम ट्रैकिंग पे चलते हैं, right? Now but the boys were easily distracted by the pool and forget to track their scoutmaster. When we go for scouting we do several things, we make camps, right? I'll show you. Like this we make a tent, there are several trees, several plants, right? So they were inside the jungle and nearby the jungle there was the pool, right? Now what happened when Mr. Oliver asked them to come for tracking, what they were distracted by a pool and forget to track their scoutmaster. Scoutmaster he did like उन्होंने बहुत सारे symbols छोड़े कि they can easily copy them कि वो कौन से रास्ते से गए हैं, pine cones, nuts. He has just thrown the plants over there कि okay, the boys can easily track, and he was waiting for them on the other side of the mountain. But the boys were distracted by the pool से distract हो गए थे and they were having fun there. Then the bear destroys the camp and make away all the scoutmaster's dressing gown. Now something funny has happened there. What funny has happened there? When Mr. Oliver was not there in his camp, a bear came there. He has destroyed his camp completely and just wore his dressing gown and run away from there. The boys were feeling it was a very funny moment over there that the bear is wearing a dressing gown of Mr. Oliver. So this was the story this was the experience, one of the small incident Mr. Ruskin has shared with us. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see the internal questions. You don't have to copy them out, you don't have to write them in your notebook. What you have to do, I'll tell you where you have to just mark them. Just open your book, this is page number 1, you can see this is your book, page number 1. right? The first question is, what was the Boy Scout motto? Their motto was to be prepared for everything, like for studies, for scouting or for other things also, but they were not at all prepared for anything. There on page number 1, you can see it's there, be prepared. This is the Boy Scout motto. You have to underline it and you have to mention the question above it. Okay, like this you have to do, don't write it in your notebook. Okay, now the second question, who was the Scoutmaster? It is very simple, we just have to write the name. It is again on page number 1. You can see the last line, Scoutmaster Mr. Oliver. You can see it is written there, Scoutmaster Mr. Oliver. You have to underline it and mention question number 2, that is your internal question. Okay, just write the question above it, who was the Scoutmaster. Okay, now next question, what dish did the children make? Now this is like कि बच्चों ने कौन सी डिश बनाई थी, and they made bond bhujia. What they made? Bond bhujia. Bond in the sense Ruskin bond. Ruskin bond. उन्होंने अपने नाम के ऊपर ही डिश का नाम रख दिया, the bond bhujia. The bhujia made by Bond. Okay, it is there on page number 2. You can see the bond bhujia. It is in red color. You can underline it and you can write the question also, what dish did the children make? Okay, now let's see the notebook work of it. This is the notebook work. I'll just tell you. Now in the copy work there are few new words, rumor, encouraging, expedition, lagged, tracking, distracted, romped, huff, relented, havoc. These all words are already there in your book, you can check them out. Okay, now let's see the word meanings. These word meanings are also there in your book, but anyways I'll just explain you. Romped, played with a lot of joy and energy. It means when we are playing with a lot of joy and energy, it means we are romped. Okay, in a huff, angrily. In a huff means gusse mein, angrily. Havoc, great disturbance and destruction. When there was a great disturbance, great problem, great destruction, that is havoc. Entangle means caught up. Made of, escape, वहाँ से निकलना, बच के निकलना, that is to escape from there. Okay, now let's see the question answers part. Answer the following questions. Who were the Boy Scouts tracking? The Boy Scouts were tracking Mr. Oliver, the Scoutmaster. Boys का जो ग्रुप था वो किसको ट्रैक कर रहा था, किसके पीछे जा रहा था? Mr. Oliver, the Scoutmaster, who was actually teaching them how to do the tracking. Okay, what did the Boy Scout do instead of tracking their Scoutmaster? Boys क्या करने लग गए थे? Tracking करने के अलावा what they were doing? वो किस चीज़ से distract हुए थे? The Boy Scout came upon a pool and splashed about in the water instead of tracking the Scoutmaster. They were distracted by the pool. वो वहाँ पर pool पे distract हो गए और वो वहीं पर बैठकर fun करने लगे. Okay? Now let's see the next question. Why had Mr. Oliver waited at the end of the forest? Why Mr. Oliver was waiting at the end of the forest? He was just thinking कि okay, boys will come, just watch my way, they will catch my way and they will come to me. But actually what happened, Mr. Oliver had waited at the end of the forest for the boys to arrive by tracking him. He was waiting that boys will track him out and they will reach me. But actually it doesn't happen. Okay, now what had been planned for the morning? Now what had been planned for the next morning? And the entire camp was supposed to have an early breakfast the next morning. Now their plan was to have a early breakfast. उन्होंने plan किया था कि वो सब कल जल्दी morning में breakfast करेंगे. Okay, now what did they do instead? पर इसके अलावा क्या हो गया था? Early morning में they decided that they will have early breakfast. But actually what happened? Let's see. The boys got distracted on the way and roamed about in the pool instead of following the trail. They just distracted by the pool. just उन्होंने जो sequence बैठा था उसको follow ना करते हुए they got distracted. Now let's see the make sentences part. Rumor. The rumor cannot be true. When something is कुछ ऐसे ही बोल देना, that is rumor. Okay. The rumor cannot be true. they romped with the children. He relented and closed his eyes. Uproar, the whole city was in an uproar. Entangled, he got entangled in legal disputes. Entangled मतलब किसी चीज़ के अंदर फंस जाना, किसी प्रॉब्लम के अंदर स्टक हो जाना. So this was the story about Ruskin Bond. I hope you have understood the story well. Start studying for your exams. Thank you and have a nice day.